muri Kampala ibemberwe Chief Magistrate Elias Lukwago yahandika summons rukweta mukomugenzi Katanga muri Katanga amwe n'umuharo mukuti wanyuma yo kubataho summons 2021 byo kwezi kwa 11 mu mwaka ogu bakagaruka bakabara kwija abakuti ikabataho summons wanyuma yo kutaha rimanda abandi bantu bashatu abari kutekatekwa kuba bayambireho umukushereko bujurizo bwabere buruho wanyuma yo kwitwa kwa Katanga abateirwa hari rimanda harimo Patricia Kakwanzi w'imyaka 31 kandi umuharo mugenzi George Amanyire w'imyaka 30 kandi wabere uri umukozi mu makomo uteriho na Otayi Charles uri umushahu kandi nawe natekatekwa kuba yayambireho umukwita bujurizi bwabere buruho wanyuma yo kufa kwa Katanga ukurikira harubajoro hababi Katanga akaterwa amasasa gamwitireho ibiro bibiri byo kwikumena ku mwaka ogu harumbiyacwa umakaje rukushanga umurina kawa division umurembo rwa Kampala kandogu natekatekwa kuba yategwa mukazi w'imyaka 5 amasasi umuringo n'ugugumwe urubajoro hababi ndugirango Amanyire hamwe na Otayi bakayamba abantu babintu bamanyango bakaba baragakora umushango kugeza aho kwita ubujurizi bayima yakoti kwandika summons rukweta abantu abababiro muko hoteli izuba tubabasa kwijamu anshongera kugira ngo muri Katanga ariyo mu irware ya International Hospital in Kampala kandi umuharankwanzi na wariyo mu irware ya Roswell Women and Children Hospital nari kushanga umurembo rwa Kampala anshongeze kugira ngo warigire kuzara kandi na ngo bujanja bikorwa habashaho
Martha Nkwanzi Katanga. She has just had a baby and Roswell Hospital has also written, which is also attached to that letter, saying that she is suffering from postpartum eclampsia and venous thromboembolism, whatever that may be. And they are continuing to review her. Your Worship, the accused persons therefore are one being a new mother, having the conditions, of course, associated with that situation, and another being a hospitalized patient. We pray that this court extends the summons that it previously issued.
More Katanga hamwe n'umuharankwanzi rizobo mkuti bachikirwa ba prida babo abarum Erison Karhanga Bruce Musinguze hamwe na Jet Tumebaze kandaba bashobora kwa abantu ababombi batabasa kwije mukoti bayima yabashaho babo kubaremera bari kugira ngo bakino ubuzwa hamagara gabo ba prida babeje mukoti nebishani ibirukoreko kumore Katanga yarigere kushemeza ubwo mutwegwe kandi uko atari kubasa kwije mukoti.
Our client suffered severe injuries to her head after being clobbered, and there are a number of pictures that we're getting from the hospital. An X-ray showing her hands are severely fractured. More than 5 fractures will be seen through this X-ray. Your Worship, we have a clear picture of our client's face in IHK. Your Worship, showing serious injuries to her head.
Ibyo bikiri aho bajoro hababiri webemberwe Mariam Kurusumu rwashaba koti ukwandika ikipapuro cyo kwata abantu aba cyo muramuzika koza tekereza atyo nuko kwereza Samon Sendijo erukubeto mukoti ebiro 8 byo kukubanza umwaka gwe 2024 umuringo ngo gumwe koti niyemwe agarra abantu bashatu abe bari ya rimanda ukugarukayo ukwite ebiro 8 byo kukubanza ubwo mushango guragaritse mukurwa
but you can make the application. And also that for that matter, also the criminal summons.
Ukuro mshangwe rizuba kwabaho hagati yo mwijizo gw'abantu baba yo muri koti utiriho no kugira ngo abanyabusare ba Katanga babajwire t-shirts utiriho n'ibipande ibirukushaba koti ukwereza buringaniza abumunyabusare wabo wafire
tusobode kulaga koti tukiikirira abo abalyagulira nyina w'omugenzi maama we abantu abalala abakulu bemuwulidde mu kooti kooti netukiriza tubeerewo tubeere nga tuwabula ate nga tutunuulira byonna ebigenda mu maaso okulaba nti justice obwenkanya butuusibwako ffe omanyi state eriwo kulw'eggwanga kulaba nti azize omusango abunaanwa.
Henry Katanga hamwe n'omukazi we More Katanga nibagamba kuba bari abashubuzi rurangano mu ihanga kandi ababe nibakwatanisa n'ebitongole bya gavumenti ebitari bimwe na bimwe omuri ebyo harimu na minisitule y'ebyokwerinda mu ihanga. Makuraga gasha kwa Judith Kukunda habwa Sky.